this is next level part of the language. So without any reason basically, not a single country basically will do help of 1 rupee also basically. They are issuing visas also basically. So this is the reason basically behind this. That is the natural item basically is getting processed in the land of Europe, in the land of Russia. UAE basically is issuing lots of visa basically. How they are using basically? Without any reason basically. Do you think basically UAE group basically will issue visa for Indian basically? No basically. Without any reason basically they will never do that. But they are doing the process of petrol and oils basically of India land buildings. Here we have taken the example of 1 crore building basically of India land, which is getting processed basically. Which is getting processed basically. So UAE will never do the break up relationship with India, and India can't afford that. India can't afford that break relationship. Why? Because oil, petrol basically are processed basically in that land basically. You basically can't take the risk basically. You basically can't take the risk basically. So India also basically might have kept the control of UAE basically by some reasons basically. So next video.